Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Cemu and Cemuhook are installed and compatible, because that enables accurate input mapping. Next, connect your Xbox controller, prefer wired for fewer variables, or pair via Bluetooth. Windows should list it immediately. Once done, verify X input support. Either use the native X input that comes with Windows or drop the Zinput 1.3. DLL into the Cemu folder if a title needs legacy support. These steps let Cemu detect controller input reliably and avoid later mapping conflicts. Once Cemu recognizes the controller, open Options and go to Input Settings so you can assign roles and avoid accidental shortcuts. Choose X input as the API and pick your Xbox device, then map each button and analog carefully. Make sure triggers are assigned as analogs when needed. After mapping, tweak dead zones and sensitivity to prevent drift, and enable rumble if you want force feedback. Save the profile to the Cemu folder so you can reuse the exact configuration every time you launch a game. To finish, boot a game and run through every control: movement, camera, menus, and special inputs. If anything feels off, reopen the input profile and adjust sensitivity or swap axes. Make sure Cemuhook features are active when using motion or touchscreen emulation. If you encounter lag or dropped inputs, use a wired connection, close overlay apps, or set Cemu to higher priority. And if controls still misbehave, reinstall the X input DLL or update the Xbox driver. This single troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.